morning to you, wonderful person watching this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Philip Wallace, and on this channel we do vlogs and also sit down videos on various topics. If that is for you, go ahead and subscribe. It truly helps me out because it motivates me to do more videos, and it also let YouTube show my videos to more persons that I'll get a lot more views. So in this video today I'll be crossing the Demerara River by boat, a speedboat, as you'll see by the title. Yeah, so you can just journey along with me. Yeah, so subscribe. And I'm currently heading to my bus stop so that I could take a bus to go to town. Then from town I'll get the boat to cross the river. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, look at this. Vreed. Look at this thing. So while I'm waiting, I'll just tell you a few information. So the right here where I'm at in Georgetown area is region 4, but after you cross the river you enter on the west coast, which is region 3, and that's where the current president of Guyana is from, region 3. So I'll be crossing over the river and just see what's close to the other bank. I won't really like going to the town itself. I'll just vlog the surrounding area. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I've been on a boat before, but it's years ago while I was still a child. I'm a young man now. Yes, so I'm excited about that. I hear that there are potholes in the water also. Yeah, so we'll get to experience all of that. Yes, I'm just currently now waiting on the bus, and I let you guys keep in my company. I hope one comes soon. Alright, so when I reach Georgetown, I'll let you guys, I'll pick up on you guys. Okay. So I just reached a town and I go meet up with one of my friends. Yeah, she's Guyanese and she know more about the area, so I best me travel with her. Yeah. I just meet up with my friend Vina. She's the owner of V's Laundry Service. Check out her Facebook page. I'll leave a link below. Give her a call and get your dirty laundry done. Yeah, so we're currently now heading to the boats. The rain is falling. Yeah, but the boats are covered by a shelter, so I don't think we'll get wet inside of it. Yeah, so walking to the boat now. Right beside Starbrook Market. So like this video for me because I'm filming in the rain. Yeah, so give me a like for that. Yes, I'll soon be at the port now to take the boat. Yes, I'm guessing these persons are also going to the boat. Yes, say hi, Vina.
You're on the other side.
Yeah. Yes, so that's my friend. So we are at the port now. Yeah. Yeah, so there's Vina going in the boat. That boat is not ready yet to leave. We'll be in.
Go to Boston. Boston.
Yes, this is a boat. Yeah, so because the rain falling, they put those plastic at the sides. Safety first, so Shana,
So it's like a video blog you're doing?
yeah.
Okay.
You know how long they normally take before they move off?
When it's full, but because of COVID, they don't fill up like they used to. So like in here, you get three, and then probably four. And because it's midday,
Yeah.
I mean, it's raining. Right here is not right now.
Yeah, so he's starting up the boat. They're soon ready to leave at any moment now. Just taking in a few more passengers.
Huh?
I feel scared.
I was telling you that, yeah.
I actually feel scared right now. It's a good thing I have you with me.
What you want me to do now?
Big engine on there. So who's the pilot? He's the captain. Yeah, so the captain is behind me. And I have another guy at the front watching.
He's like the bowman.
The what?
Bowman.
Okay.
Looking after the bow of the boat.
Oh.
Look outside.
Okay, so I'm going to switch on the camera and show you.
God is in charge.
I feel scared. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I'm so scared right now. Cause the boat rocking to and fro. Yeah, so we're not able to see much because of the rain. Because they put up the plastic to prevent the rain from getting inside of the boat. On our way back it wasn't so rainy, so watch until the end to get a better view. This is like a normal mode of transportation for persons, but I'm the only one just using it as a excursion ride. so that's another boat going to Georgetown. Yeah. Reach?
Yes, almost. Right
Okay. Yes, it's a short ride because reach already. Yeah, some persons start even taking off the life jacket, but I'm not taking off mine until the boat dock. Yeah, so the ride is finished now, and we're heading out.
Range for that.
Ah, 500.
Come baby, come, you come.
Your collection?
Yeah, I get it home. Yeah, so we reach now.
I started volunteering with the cleanup on the seawall. The ferry used to
We
come.
can walk right there.
Old spelling.
The old
This is-
stelling where the ferries used to come.
No, ferry, right. This is Vreed and Hoop.
Yeah.
So this is the Vreed and Hoop stelling.
Okay.
But it's not used as a stelling anymore because they don't use the ferry, they use the bridge.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So why is so much cars parked out here?
So they use it to park. I mean, vendors, people in the area.
Yeah, so that's where we're coming from and soon be heading back. Starbrook Market. We're going to go outside and see some of the things. Yeah. I hope you guys are hearing me, because I'm using my earphone when called. So right here they have a lot of clothes and shoes. It's like a market, so you can come here to get whatever you want. Also perfumes and jewelry, handbags. Why you like that?
What's the price? I just checked your price. I just checked your price. Thanks for
Yeah, so this is where we'll be heading out. So check out the town. This is region who?
Vreed and Hoop.
Reed and Hoop.
Vreed and Hoop.
Breathe and Hoop.
Vreed.
Yeah.
En
Yeah.
Hoop.
Okay.
And it's Dutch. So this is where you got buses and cars either going West Coast, West Bank,
Okay.
or Puerto Rico.
So this is like a car park then.
Yes. And shops. We can go up to the pink building and shop.
Yeah, so it's because the rain falling, that's why you don't really have so much persons outside and so on.
Usually there are more people around.
Yeah. Maybe me have to come back on next week. We have coconut one.
Yeah.
Can get jelly and also the water. Oh, they have a Dairy Queen over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that Tuesday party, Jamaican party?
Yeah, I wonder if they have it. Let me go and ask them. I see a juicy patty sign, so I'm going to check if they have any patty.
It might be expensive, I don't know.
I'm going to ask. Hopefully they do. We're at, okay.
We are gonna wash on. Hallelujah.
Oh my. So they used to sell juicy patty, but they don't have anymore now. Like the company leave. Juicy, you need to come back here. There are persons here depending upon you guys. You need to come back. To the owner of the Juicy Patty franchise, you need to come back to Guyana because there are a lot of Jamaicans here who haven't had patty in a while, such as myself. So you guys need to come back.
They should have you should have trained it on the sign.
Yeah, they should have at least removed the sign and not get my hopes up and make me think the patty there here. And they had some chicken selling. Good day. Chicken, fruits, and vegetables. Mostly clothes I see them selling along the road.
Yeah, this morning I walked on the thing.
Guys, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment down below. And orange. Saltfish.
Huh?
No, I just saw saltfish.
Yeah, this lady selfish.
And chicken. Oh, see the name of the place, the
Yes,
Vreed Home. Vreed Home.
And
Say it, Vreed Hen Home.
and
Yeah, Vreed Hen Home. What kind of word is it?
Dutch.
Dutch, right? Okay. So from the Germans then. So what is this place here? The think place.
Huh?
What is this here?
It's a mall. Small
Okay.
mall.
And over here is a church.
Yeah, it's back behind church. I think it's an Anglican church or something.
Okay. So this is Western Bank.
West End.
Yeah.
So this is Reading Hook Junction.
Say that again?
Reading Hook Junction.
Okay, Regent Junction.
This side is West Bank. Right?
Okay. Here is West Bank and then here says West Coast
Yeah,
heading
this
to
is where it
Perth.
starts.
Okay.
Right? The West Bank starts this side and the West Coast side.
Uh,
This is the junction. In other words, the bank of the river and the coast of the ocean.
Thank you guys for all watching. Like, share, subscribe, share this video. You know I continue to keep putting out good content for you guys, so support me back. Yeah man, so shout out to Yeshua. So until next time, peace be unto you guys. Peace.